Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my first telecast, and as you can see, I'm not made up. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. I have been up all night and thinking about what am I going to say. Anyway, I'm Joan of Art. I'm an artist and a Filipina single mom. I have a daughter. She's now working in Manila. She just graduated from college. I have basically supported her education since the father left her, since her graduation from elementary. So I sent her to school since high school and university. Okay, most women would ask me, how was it? How was life going through an annulment, or how to go through an annulment? And two things that I have found out: fear and finances. First, they're afraid of society. What would other people say? And of course, they're also afraid of their husbands, and also afraid for their children, for the future, and also afraid of being alone. The other one is financially. They might be unable to support themselves. What job would they have, and if they could feed their children, and also if are they able to finance an annulment, which is very expensive. And I think if they would be able to overcome these things, fear and finances, the advantage would be freedom and felicity. So freedom is that you will finally be free of a stifling relationship. You would be free to grow and free to fly and free to become the woman that you ought to be, like me. Yeah. Felicity is happiness in achieving your goals, in being who you are, and to bring up your children in a happy environment. Like I said, art has played a major role in our survival and happiness. I will tell you more about that. And if you can post your questions in the comments box about the annulment, about the law on violence against women and children, we can discuss all of that, and maybe I could help you. How to go through an annulment. This is not a legal advice, but a personal advice, although I have a legal background. I'm not a lawyer. I'm an artist and living an artistic life. Again, this is Joan of Art saying there is life and love at the end of a lifeless and loveless marriage.